This is one of John's clips, and again he's driving down roads that seem to test him out. But what he comes up to and how he deals with it is quite interesting. I don't think this vehicle on the right has chosen the best space to try and pass, but John's going to sort it.
Stay still, mate, I'll get that.
But now the white Mercedes has come from the opposite direction also, there's another problem. What would you do at this point? Would you have thought of reversing back so now the white Mercedes can use the same space as the Volkswagen SUV has just used? Great little fix this one, and it's much appreciated. As always, leading by example. Well done, mate.